Hey guys, Justin here with Welcome J Man. Just found a nice spot out here in the woods in the valley by my house. It's a nice little rock outcropping and clearing out here. Good spot to take a break, take a smoke, chill. Gotta be mindful right now up here in northern Minnesota while doing this, or if you smoke cigs or whatnot. Got a lot of wildfires going on up here in northern Minnesota already. So, gotta be careful and mindful of that. Man, what a great spot to just sit down, chill, smoke a little bit. It's gorgeous out here. Haven't run into anyone out here in the valley today. Normally there's a lot of college kids out and about, but being that we're getting closer to the summer, there's not too many people here. Seniors have already graduated and left from the universities, so however, we're getting close to our busy tourist season, so it's nice to find little spots that are quiet to myself out here. Take a nice little break on the trail. Gotta love it. Something so rewarding and satisfactory about doing this. Just like completely getting yourself away from like all the normal societal day-to-day bullshit that people gotta deal with. Just gotta do more of this. Get out and climb through. Have a good one, guys. I'm gonna keep going.